Anushka is complaining that the sun is too hot, but I have a opinion on this, saying that few minutes before Anushka was like, no, not few minutes. Yesterday she said that. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, something like that. See, like before 12, the sun is good. You get good vitamin D. And now she's saying the sun is too hot. So I don't understand this girl.
But the thing is, till 10:30, 11, the sun is good. After that, it's not good.
You said before 12. Don't just do that, okay?
Till 11.
Context. We are actually going to the bank because I'm training Anushka how to deposit a check.
People will literally think that I do not know how to work or operate or deposit money or withdraw money from a bank.
I'm basically showing you which bank and how to go about it because I don't want you to feel like a confused soul over there, okay? And my hair is like, I look like I'm completely, yeah.
And I look so fat.
No. I like your glasses though. Lens cut.
You can go.
You're wondering where we are. We're actually in the Margaon market. And this is a mop which I'm holding it like vertically straight.
So much traffic.
Yeah, it's a lot of traffic. Now the plan is to drink some coconut water in the middle because we're just thirsty. Yeah. Let's go.
Time melted when you finish. Wait. Medium size. Don't. Take a corre pehla.
So we have coconut water.
Medium as
We drove how long?
From Margaon, we came all the way here for coconut water.
Yeah, because we got somewhere in the middle like the coconut vendors, but Anushka madam is like,
I want to come here.
yeah, because this fellow gives one of the sweetest coconuts which I know for that. Like the coconut he provides are one of the sweet.
The water is sweet. Isn't it?
It's true though. The water is sweet. Anushka, in the middle of everything, has gotten an idea. Like she wants to switch places for her reel today.
I'm tired of
And
this.
this is the location what she has chosen. That is near the lift. You see, we are on the first floor.
It's a good place. No one has ever shot it before here, so why not?
I'm losing my mind with this girl, I swear. I was about to like doze off because I'm so
That's
sleepy.
why I got you out. That's why
I'm
we're doing activity. That's why we're doing activity.
Activity near the lift
Yes.
where anybody can pop up.
No one's gonna pop up. See? There's no one. Hardly anyone comes in this building.
No, there are people who come here. Why are you joking or what? Y'all will be sitting over there. So since we are shooting, or we'll do from this. Then we can have but down it is working. Like the ground floor. there was a guy that came and she's like telling you, go, you go with me, you go with me.
Obviously, you should go so that I could record.
That's why I was telling you not to. We're in the same location as we were yesterday, no?
Yes.
Yesterday.
Doing it again. I found a new spot for reels.
She wants me to explore the whole fucking building.
This is just this thing. Next reel, I think might take you to the second floor, the third floor, or the fourth floor. Then we'll explore.
You see my eyes, I'm like a poor soul who wants to go to sleep.
We have to work out. We have to finish our steps.
I won't be able to walk tomorrow.
You'll be able to.
I won't be.
There is no word is impossible.
There is. The word impossible is impossible only.
Please
start. Huh? What happened? Huh? What? She threw the mic. I mean, it accidentally fell. We have to go and search.
How is it? How do we go this way? Down.
Where it fell? It fell
Yeah.
basically in the ground, maybe.
No, wait, let me go this side instead.
Where that side? We have to go down in the building and then jump from this side. And you can't go.
I'm not looking. I'm just looking whether it's
Uh-huh.
I don't get on top of this. It is supposed to be the. How do we reach this part of it?
Because come up, we have to go through there, that side. Let's go down. You are keeping in that in office? No, this thing, tripod.
Oh no, we'll take it. We can shoot there only, no?
Oh, the mic just jumped off. For a few minutes, I was so confused. What is this girl doing?
I'm like, I never seen it.
Not here, this side. Alright. I think you can go this side. That is the basement, Mugo. Oh, we reached. Now you have to search for the mic. You have a magnet or something because
It's supposed to be followed
Yo, me found a mic. Yeah, I found a mic. But where is the magnet?
It has to be something here. Let's use the mic to scan the magnet.
Wow! What else? Oh my God, Anushka, you are so smart. Look at us, Ajay. I swear, this is. Arey, yeah! I found it! I found it! I found it! This is such a funniest thing that has ever happened, I swear. Come, let's go. What are you thinking of shooting here only?
She found it. I am magnet.
I am a magnet, you can say that. But we were so lucky that we got it. Like, I was like, what if we lost it? We have to pay for the mic then. Now back to the scenes. We are back. After a whole session. We have dust over here. You ready?
I think it should be the right?
Yeah, probably. Take two. The lighting is so good, but here, I swear. That's why she is so
You
good.
know, I was planning to wear white pants. I'm so happy I did not wear white pants.
What would you do?
Nothing happened. I'm so happy. This amount to realistically study in Germany, no or no strong public universities and strong public universities. Even affordable fees.
I'm hungry. I need something. I'm too hungry. I'm so hungry. You're just ignoring me, okay? Whenever I said I'm
We
hungry.
will go eat something. We will eat curd.
Kadat?
Curd. Yogurt.
I'm not eating.
You have moong.
Ah, moong dal. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Ready? Wait now. I'll give you one. Okay. You want to see?
Yes.
You know, even my reels are getting more views than this. I swear. Reels, views, shares, and likes, and comments as well. This model is not prepared, huh? That's it. Ready? Wait, I'm telling you ready. 3, 2, 1.
25 lakhs isn't just tuition. It must cover living expense, accommodation deposit.
I was showing you also here.
Yeah, you suddenly showed. I'm like, okay, fine.
Okay, you don't want?
No, I will show it. Show it. Show it.
Ah, okay.
Show it. She's showing in black screen.
It was black?
It was gone black.
Okay, it's mine. 3, 2, 1.
25 lakh isn't just tuition. It must cover living expense, visa fees, health insurance, accommodation deposit, and travel.
Done. Next.
Next we have 2 more lines. If you plan well and apply early and secure scholarship or for part-time work, 25 lakh can be enough.
Few minutes ago. Look. Oh, it's two cameras are coming on the scene. Okay, which now here you want to do?
No,
Near the Jali?
You're not trying to
Or
go
here?
there, you go there near the washroom lights.
Huh? It's smelling here.
This way it is too.
We'll do near the this thing. Or we'll do near this white. This thing.
Okay.
This thing.
Find a place. Yes, we go. But it's actually pretty.
All here is the marble thing.
Oh yeah, you can use that.
I'm a genius. I was a born genius. Wait, and let me just hide this thing.
If you plan well, apply early and secure scholarship or part-time work, 25 lakhs can be enough.
There is first floor and then there's a marble finish to do there. Okay. Oh, there's a marble finish here also, but then this is there.
If you plan well.
We're done with the reel. We're going back to the office.
But this place is nice actually.
Huh? It's what? I think it's a lot of noise. It's not clean. And the windows are very dirty. So yes.